Alright guys, so we are in this crazy SVJ. I don't know if you guys could hear me. I have a mic on because it's so loud. We have our first developed true V12 sounding exhaust system and it's very loud. It's insane. This car is not tuned yet. It is stock. It doesn't have too many miles either. So it's gonna go get tuned actually in the next coming days. So it's gonna perform better and it's gonna shoot more fire. But initial tests, this thing shoots flames like crazy with the stock tune. I've done a lot of Aventadors, more so than probably anybody in the country. Right when they came out, up until this day, we've done a lot of Aventadors and this thing is nuts. The fire it shoots is crazy. It's ferocious, it's aggressive, and it sounds crazy. It sounds like the old Murcielago when you put an exhaust on it, so that true V12 sound. This car's lowered. We have custom 3-piece wheels. We did like a classic series look on it with a two-tone black with stainless hardware. It looks incredible. Novatech springs, it's been lowered. We could go a little bit lower, but we kept it a little bit clean and not too low. Still very, very drivable. And of course, the full wrap. This customer had a 488 in this color with a full carbon fiber kit, wheels, again, everything. He actually had the same exact style wheels on that 488. Same color wrap again. And it looks incredible on the SVJ. We made custom SVJ stickers for the quarter panels, of course, with a yellow J on it. We also painted the brake calipers yellow, so it goes with the theme of the car with the new wrap. So this is kind of like a mint green color with a hint of baby blue. And of course, with the yellow accents, looks incredible. The interior, you can't really see it too much because of my cool seat covers from Lamborghini here, but it's black and white and a lot of carbon fiber inside as well. So I think this is an amazing SVJ spec. It's very fun and it works. It still looks amazing. It doesn't look funny. It looks great. And of course it screamed. It's a true beast and monster. We were filming a little bit ago and we didn't see a cop and he heard us from a mile down. We were lucky enough that we weren't going too fast. It was just loud. So we were off the hook there. But yeah, this car is insane. The exhaust system is now available to purchase through us. We ship worldwide. It's heat wrapped, it's amazing, amazing quality, and probably the best sounding exhaust system out there. If you want that true V12 sound, that F1 sound, we're able to get you that exhaust system now. So hit us up if you have an SVJ. We do everything in-house, whether it's paint, wraps, wheels, suspension, and now we're installing the exhaust systems on these things. So give us a call, let's get your SVJ looking crazy. Oh, by the way, we have another SVJ in the works. Hopefully you're gonna see that in the next episode. Also getting the exhaust system from us. Also getting some crazy wheels, full wrap again, lowering springs, everything. So the whole 9 yards, another build just like this one, but a completely different colorway. Stay tuned for that because that one's a lot of fun and I think it's gonna go pretty viral as well. Yeah, this thing's wild. Go and try your luck. Black and white, please don't search us. We don't got a thing. Tell her park it up. Then that we poking out them jeans up and sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree. I got the strings. No BMW could ever do this.
Yeah, that's true. What about the SF90?
I can't sound like this. This is scary to drive. It's like, it's a little too much, man. It's crazy.
Oh, in RTV, is many import cars, you know, like this one. So this one you have to know about this little bracket over here, how to take it out, because if you just pull, you can break it. So if I tell him to big, hey big, I break the clip, you say, another one. So I don't want to hear that from big. I try to don't break it. Sometimes you have to break something, you know. Hey. He likes to play with us. You play with us, you know. Yeah. Vicky likes to play with us. Mano also Mano, but he's serious. When he's talking about business, he's serious, like that. Good boss. Moses. Ah, Moses is a love, bro.
He's a what?
He's a love.
He's in love.
He's an amor.
He's your favorite.
Yeah, he's cool, bro. Oh my God. There's the old ones coming. This one over here. Look at the speaker. What kind of speaker is that? Jeez. It's a nice one. What's the difference between that and this one? Probably this one is more, more bright, maybe. I have to remove the bumper anyways, but he wants to try the lights. The difference? Yeah. Oh my God! Look at that! Gee. Ah! My hands is really dirty. Oh, mira el color. Blanquito el color. No manches, carnal. Mira, baby. Yes, son of a...
Oh, white? It's perfect. Two wide body Urises in white, my favorite color for the Urus. Shows off all the lines really well. Again, full 1016 Industries wide body. It's almost a similar package as mine, except it's carbon fiber, mine's forged carbon. Roof is still white. Little vents are still remaining in carbon fiber. The rocker panels are full carbon fiber. Also, it has my first design wheel on there in 24-inch. It's one of the best designs for the car. Obviously, I'm biased. The RDB wheel I think is the best for the Urus period and any car, honestly. So yeah, these two look amazing together. Honestly, no car looks like this when you do a wide body Urus, especially in white. And with this kit, it looks like it's supposed to come in factory. So this is paint, not wrap. So we do a lot of paint wide body Uruses as well. Don't get us wrong. We do a lot of wraps, but we also do a lot of paint work. Alright guys, we are right here with our new merchandise. It's available now when you see this video. We have our new fanny packs. 3 colors. We have the black, we have the black camo, and we have the army camo right here. You can use it on like a fanny pack, around the shoulder, whatever. So 3 of those online. We don't have too many of them. We also have the new RDB cap in the camouflage colorway with the patch. That was a huge success. Of course, we restocked on the black ones, but now we have this army tan one, which is really, really cool. So 2 hats online. We also have our new air fresheners. These are made in Europe. Super great quality, last long. Packaging is sick. It's also matching the patch, so it's like this whole collection right here. So this scent is rose and oud. So really, really dope smell, handpicked by us. So get on there now, shop all this stuff. We also might be doing a giveaway, so tune in on Instagram and stuff like that. But yeah, new merchandise online now.
Wow. So tired.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got